Hi everyone, I figured I'd show you the new way that we're multiplying at school because it's probably different than what you were taught at school. So, for example, if it's 1,216 times 3, what we do is we actually start on the left-hand side like we're printing, or sorry, like we're reading a book, and so we go 3 times 1,000, which is 3,000, 3 times 200, which is 600, 3 times 10, which is 30, and 3 times 6, which is 18, and then we add it all together. The reason we do this is so that the students actually think about what these things are valued at, and they don't just memorize an algorithm. I have been using this idea of an array as well. So for example, like if it was 24 times 3, this would be 3 and 24. You can divide the 24 into 20 and 4, and then this would be 30 times 2, sorry, 20 times 3, which is 60, and then 4 times 3, which is 12, and then to figure out how many boxes there are inside, the total would be 72. So in that style it would look like this: 3 times 20, 3 times 4 is 72. To clarify what I mean by an array, so an array is like lined up dots or boxes to help us see a multiplication question. So if this rectangle had 6 on this side and 15 on this side, to figure out all the boxes in the middle, you'd go 6 groups of 15, or you go 15 groups of 6, which is 15 times 6. So when we divide this up so we can count the boxes easily, we can go 10 times 6, 5 times 6, and then add them together. So down here it looks like that. I just wanted to show you one way that I word it to help kids who have a hard time doing 3 times 600. So I actually think of 3 times 600. So 3 times 6 is 18, so it would be 1800. And then 3 times 2 tens, which is 6 tens. And then 3 times 4 is 12, and then you add it up. So this is the bow tie method. So this is for 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So let's do 18 times 16. And 18, we're thinking of this as 1, 10, and then 8 ones, and 16 is 1, 10, and 6 ones. So we can do it in any order, draw the bow tie. So here we could go 6 times 8 is 48. Then this is actually worth 10, it's not worth 1, or 110. So you go 10 times 8 is 80. Draw a little part of the bow tie. 10 times 10 is 100, and then 10 times 6 is 60. Now adding these all up together, some kids do it the old school way, like you were taught likely, like this. There's also another way to do long adding now, which is kind of awesome, I think, and that is to start on the left-hand side. So there's just 100, then there are 4 tens, 6 tens, and 8 tens, which is 18 tens, and then 8, and then that's the answer.